Hey guys, it's Sam Day here from daytips.com, and in this video I'm speaking about how you can perform keyword research using a tool called SEMRush. Now SEMRush is one of the best SEO platforms out there to help you with your SEO needs, and it's really simple and easy to actually kind of get started with SEMRush. But I kind of want to focus specifically on keyword research. There's so much more that you can do with the platform. Now this video is kindly sponsored by SEMRush. They actually allow you to have a demo of their software before you get started. So if you're thinking about SEMrush and you're not too certain if it's going to help you with your SEO needs, then you can book a demo in with them as well, just like I did. And I got a little bit more familiar with their platform, hence why I'm able to create this video. So I wanted to start off with the keyword manager tool. So as you can see, this is the inside of SEMrush. I'm going to kind of go through some of their pricing packages towards the end of this video, but I wanted to start off in keyword manager here, and if I click on that, it takes me into here where I can create a new list of keywords, and this is where I can manage my keywords. And as you can see, I've got one test one here that I've created, but if I click on this, click to create a new list, then I can name this list. Let's say, for example, I am selling some sort of t-shirts. Then I can keep my t-shirt related keywords in here, and I can create that. And all of the keywords that I research and I want to keep a track of, I can keep a track of them within here. Now you can actually also get email updates. So if I click on t-shirt, it will take me into the inside, and you can see some of the things. You can see position tracking. So this tracks your current position in Google for those certain keywords. You can also use the PPC keywords tool as well. And you can add keywords to your keyword list from each of the different tools within SEMrush. So Keyword Magic is a tool within SEMrush, so is Keyword Overview, Organic Research, and Keyword Gap, which I'm going to be speaking about soon. Or you can import keywords to your keyword list, or you can add keywords up here as well. Now within SEMrush, obviously you can log in and check the progress of how you're doing with your keywords, but you can also get SEO reports as well sent to your email, and you can control how often those SEO reports get sent to you. Another tool that I wanted to explore was Organic Research. So if I click on the Organic Research tool, it takes you into here where the first thing you need to do is enter a URL, the domain that you would like to do some research on. I'm going to use ebay.com for the purposes of this video, but obviously you can actually search your website or some of your competitors as well to get some competitive analysis. So I'm going to click on ebay.com, and this gives you some organic research. So you have an overview of firstly keywords. So as you can see, it says this is the number of keywords bringing users to an analyzed domain via Google's top 100 organic search results. You can see how much traffic these particular keywords are driving into ebay.com. You can see how much this would cost them if they were paying for ads, and you can see what the branded traffic is. So this is people who are searching for the brand name. So if you search your URL, for example, into SEMrush and you see this branded traffic option, then that is basically telling you how many people are coming to your website as a direct result of typing in your brand name. And this is non-branded traffic, which potentially could convert for you even better. And obviously that's driving traffic, additional traffic to your website via important keywords. So you want to keep an eye on that as well. And you can see your trends over time. So you can see that hopefully your traffic is improving over time. And if it's not, then potentially using SEMrush can help you to sort out a few things that can help you to improve your traffic. So you can start to see your top organic keywords. These are the top keywords that are driving you in traffic and results. You can also see your top position changes as well. So new will show you some new keywords that you've recently started ranking for. Lost will show you some of the keyword positions that you've recently lost. Now with SEMrush, they focused on the top 100 search results. So if you were in the top 100 search results for a particular keyword and you've dropped below that, then that will be considered lost. And these will show you all of the keywords that you have lost, and you might want to reobtain some of those keywords and, you know, go over some of those web pages and maybe optimize them again. You can see also some improved keywords as well. So where you've gained positions within Google. And this could be really great if you've been working on particular keywords, you've been optimizing certain pages. If you want to know what progress you've been making, then this is a quick and easy way to see what keywords have recently started to improve. And you can also see some decline as well. If you've had some keywords kind of fall off, maybe there's a new competitor, maybe you need to update that page, then you can quickly and easily see that here. So this is just a quick and easy way to identify problems, issues, and opportunities for SEO on your website. So what I really like about this feature here as well is you can see featured snippets. So if you click on featured snippets, I'm going to open it in a new tab. It will show you some of the organic keywords that you're currently showing up for with regards to featured snippets. So for example, if I use this one, how to take bid off eBay, and I click on this, the search engine result page, and it will take me to the search engine results page. And as you can see, there's a little featured snippet here, and this is what I am currently ranking for. So, you know, if you want to see where you're being featured in with regards to featured snippets, that's a great way to do that. You can also do the same as well for local pack. That's a map with free local results that appear at the top of search results. So if you click on that, it's a similar thing here where it will show you where you're showing up. So for example, eBay store locations, if I click on the search engine results page, then it will take me to the search engine results page, and it shows me where eBay is showing up underneath a local map. So that's really great information as well, particularly for those of you guys who have a physical location and you want to track how well you're doing in Google My Business, then this can be a really great feature for you. So another thing I really like is if I go back into organic research and I scroll down, you can see your top pages. So the top pages in the search engines in terms of traffic and keywords that it's being ranked for. You can also see your top subdomains as well. So if you do have subdomains, you can see your top performing subdomains with regards to percentage of traffic and keywords. You can also see your main competitors. Now, this is really great as well because SEMRush actually give you the opportunity to analyze what keywords your competitors are showing up for that are similar to yours, and also some keyword opportunities based off of some of your competitors. So we're going to be going into that, but that's a really interesting feature. And it also shows you a competitive position map as well, so you can see where you fit with regards to some of your competitors. So I also wanted to go into the keyword gap tool. If you scroll up here and you go to keyword gap, you can type in your root domain. You can also add competitors as well. So I'm going to add Amazon.com as a competitor. And I'm also going to add Etsy.com as a competitor, and I'm going to compare. So keyword gap basically does what it says on the tin. It shows you where there's a gap with your keywords and where there's potential missing opportunities. So as you can see, these are some of the top opportunities for missing keywords that you're not currently ranking for, that your competitors are ranking for, that's bringing in them a good amount of search volume that you might want to start optimizing for. So you can see what's missing, and you can view details, and you can also view this in this map as well, so you can see how many keyword opportunities you're actually missing out on. You can also see what weak opportunities there are as well. So potentially you're ranking for these keywords, but not as highly as some of your competitors, and you might potentially gain a lot more web traffic if you were to focus more so on these keywords. So this is a really great way to analyze opportunities quickly and easily for where you can gain potentially more traffic into your site. So these are all keywords for ebay.com, and here are keywords that are shared. So the keywords that you and your competitors have in common. So these are your shared keywords with some of your competitors. You can see what keywords are missing and what keywords are weak. But you can also see what keywords are strong as well. Where are you currently, what keywords are obtaining you a lot of search results in comparison to some of your competitors. So you can see where you're strong, and you can also see some untapped keywords as well. So these are keywords for which your domain has no rankings, but at least one of the other entered competitors do. So, these are untapped opportunities where, other competitors are gaining success that you can potentially gain success with as well. And then you have unique as well. So keywords for which the domain has ranked, but other entered competitions do not. So that's where you're unique. And you can also just browse through all keywords as well. You can also go over to keyword overview. And when you go here, you can do a little bit of keyword research. So we've done some of the analysis on the domain. So this will be your domain. You can also analyze your competitors' domains as well and see where there's opportunities. You're looking for opportunities with regards to keywords, and any keyword that you find that is an opportunity, you can add that to your keyword list quite easily. So what you want to do here, if you want to do some keyword research, is type in a keyword that relates to your business. So let's say, for example, you are selling hats. Then you might want to type hats in there and then search. So this will give you an estimate of the volume. As you can see, I'm currently searching in the United States, but you can also change this as well, depending on where you want to search for that volume for. Obviously, depending on where you're going to be selling or servicing, you want to select that particular country. It also gives you a keyword difficulty. So at the moment, this is saying 55%, which is quite difficult. It also gives you a global volume as well, and some trends with regards to this keyword as well. So that's really important as well. So you also have some keyword variations. So you might want to use some of these keyword variations to help you to generate keyword ideas. And you have questions as well, which I think is really important, because obviously you might not necessarily just want to target your main keyword, but you also want to know what questions people have as it pertains to your keyword. And it's really simple to do this within SEMRush by viewing all of the keyword questions that people have. And also you have related keywords as well, again, which is really important. So you can actually analyze the search engine results pages as well and see what pages are currently ranking in high positions in Google, and analyze that, see what these competitors are doing, and see how you can actually adopt some of what they're doing as well. But as well as this, SEMrush will give you an analysis as well of the pages that are ranking within Google for the keyword you have searched for. It will show you the page authority. You can also see the referring domains. You can see the backlinks. You can see the search traffic that these keywords are estimatedly bringing in, and the URL keywords as well. So the number of keywords for which a given URL is ranking in search engines. So this can kind of really give you a good overview of whether or not that keyword is realistic for you to try and optimize for. So another thing to keep in mind is if you go to questions, for example, and you view all questions, it will give you your volume, your trends, your keyword difficulty. It will also give you your cost per click if you are planning on running Google ads. You can also see your competitive density, and you can also check this keyword with regards to the search engine results page. But if you click this little downward arrow button here as well, it gives you even more data on this keyword in terms of trends. You can also see other questions related to this keyword. And also if you click on this little box next to this keyword, then you can add this to your keyword manager, and you can add it to one of the lists that you have created. So obviously we created the t-shirt list, and I created a test list, and you can also create a new list from here as well. So maybe I wanted to create a list for my keywords for when I'm selling hats. I can create that in there, and I can save that keyword easily if I wanted to target that and track that keyword within Keyword Manager. So it's really simple and easy to keep a track of some of your keywords, and the ones that I've added to your list will have this green check button. Now you can also do position tracking as well for your keywords. So if you go down to position tracking, you can actually, I've created a project within here, but you can actually add new position tracking, and you can enter in your domain. So I'm going to enter in ebay.com. And I'm going to call this a project name. I'm going to say test2, and I'm going to create project. I'm going to put in my location here, and I'm going to search for keywords, and I can actually add keywords that I want to add to this project. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add hat to my project. I can add that to my project and I can start tracking. And once the campaign has been created, you can actually come up here to your settings and you can decide whether or not you want to get weekly updates by email in terms of how well you're doing for these particular keywords. So you can either tick it on or you can tick it off. And this is just a great way for you to receive updates if you want to about how well you're doing with regards to your position tracking. So this is just a brief overview of how to perform keyword research within SEMrush. As you start to use the platform yourself, you will start to kind of understand how to use the tool best for you and for your website and for your business and what you're trying to achieve. But they do actually have a free trial, and when you click the link in the description down below, you can access the free trial and play about with it and see some of the features, see how easy it is to really navigate through it. If you are having difficulties with it and with using the platform, like I mentioned earlier in this video, they do actually offer demos as well that you can make use of. So I wanted to show you some of their pricing plans. And they have a pro plan which starts from $119 a month, and they have a guru plan from $229 a month, and they also have a business plan for $449 a month as well. So I recommend looking through some of the features and also looking through what you need with regards to your SEO. And if you're someone who is really serious about your SEO and really serious about tracking your organic results, then SEMrush is a really great platform that you definitely should consider using. Now, you can also use the coupon code that SEMrush have given us for a discount on your SEMrush account, and I'll leave details to that discount on this screen as well and in the description down below. So make sure you use that coupon code to get a special discount off of your SEMrush account. But I really do hope that this video has brought you value, and hopefully it will help you with your SEO going forward and helping you to drive some additional traffic organically to your website. But if this video was helpful to you, I also have the formula, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. It's completely free. As you can see, there's a copy behind next to me, and I'll also leave a copy somewhere on this screen as well and in the description down below. It's the free guide to help you to drive leads and sales back to your business online. I speak about SEO, I speak about paid traffic, I speak about email marketing. So if you really want to take your business to the next level, make sure you go and download your free copy. But I really do hope that this video brought you value, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then please leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.